All right, Kylie's back, and a lot of people outside our street-side studio just sort of enjoying the evening, not wearing coats, maybe not aware that this thing's on its way.
Yeah, and it's coming pretty quickly. It's going to be impacting our western zones probably within the next about 30 to 45 minutes. From Chicago, the area of low pressure is about 100 miles away, so it is moving. This is a massive system that we are monitoring. It has a history of producing strong and severe storms, as you can see, and a lot of cloud ground lightning. So heads up, if you are in Chicago, give it some time, but we are going to be in for some major weather changes. So they are still under a severe thunderstorm watch for Chicago and surrounding areas highlighted in pink, a tornado watch highlighted in yellow just towards our south, and a few severe thunderstorm warnings have actually popped up just towards the west of our viewing area. So in about 30 minutes, as I mentioned, we have to watch out into Cal, back into Ottawa and McHenry for some of those stronger storms. We are still in that level 3, and some of us, the panhandle of LaSalle County, still under that level 4. This means numerous strong to severe storms as this squall line starts to take aim. So here's a look at the progression. This is our high resolution model, Futurecast, pinpointing out McHenry, Aurora, Morris, and Ottawa getting impacted closer to about 11, if not midnight. Chicago starting to have these winds really kicking up closer to about 12:30, and then as you can see, this line is moving over the heart of the city closer to about 1 a.m. 2 a.m. it's going to start to fizzle out, but then impacting northwest Indiana. Anytime you can see these deep reds as well as oranges, that's heavy rainfall. We have to watch out for that cloud ground lightning. And another huge concern is going to be the winds, and we can't rule out having some spin up tornadoes either. Our atmosphere is just prime for some of those rotating cells. So severe storm threat now until about 2 a.m. I know this is going to be a nocturnal event, but a lot of us are sleeping or a lot of us are out. Make sure you have a way to get those weather alerts. Damaging wind gusts, tornadoes going to be the main concerns with this storm system. Those winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour, especially tomorrow. So once the storms move out, it is still going to be very windy. Wind advisories in place until 7 a.m. on your Saturday, and then a high wind warning takes over, and that is going to continue until noon. As you can see, gusts up to about 60 miles per hour. So I know with all the festivities happening tomorrow, with the river dying, if there's any tents outdoors, they really need to make sure that they are secured. Anytime you see these lines, these are called hatches. So that means we have the probability of wind damage. Winds gusting upwards of about 45 to 50 miles per hour tonight, and then could topple over about 60, 70 miles per hour for tomorrow. Tonight's forecast, 57 degrees for your low, and then as we look ahead to tomorrow, 65 over the weekend. Temperatures will come crashing down on Sunday. A few sprinkles and flurries will be possible, but again, a weather alert is posted for the rest of tonight due to the severe storms, tomorrow due to the high winds, and then St. Patrick's Day looking much better. Partly cloudy skies, cloudy weather, and we are going to be in for temperatures near 70 degrees again on our Tuesday.
Thanks, Kylie.